What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan, this is Auto Detour, and sorry I haven't uploaded in about a week and a half or so, maybe even 2 weeks. Just been a really busy time of year, so I know you guys understand that, but we had some beautiful weather in Minnesota today. A bit overcast, but for the past 4 or 5 days it's been in the mid 40s, so all of our snow that we got has kind of slowly been melting off. But in today's video we're going to be looking at upgrading the lighting in the garage. So, as I've mentioned in the past, I do a lot of filming in the garage in the winter since it's usually really cold out. My wife was awesome enough to get me an early Christmas present, and so here we have some LED tube lighting from Costco, of course. We got 6 of them there. Hopefully that's enough, but we're going to be upgrading these, just the regular 100-watt LED sockets. And it's going to look very similar to the lights that I installed over my workbench over here. So those lights are really great. They're super bright, and I really love them. And I got 6 of them to put in the main garage area. And they do have outlets on them to where I can link more if I need to. So I'm just going to line them up right in the center of the garage here. So we're going to be doing a very simple install today using these guys right here. As you can see, you just plug this directly into the light bulb socket. You can still plug the light bulb in the bottom of it, but we have the 2 outlets on either side that I can plug the new lights into. I'm going with a very simple install this time because I just want to get lights up so that we can use it this winter, and at some point I plan on finishing the garage, and then at that point, whenever that happens to be down the road, I'll have the contractor go ahead and put in, you know, big tube lighting with the wiring ran behind the sheetrock and all that. For today's purpose, and however long the garage stays unfinished, we're just going to be doing these LED lighting. And as you can see from those ones, they put out good light, so I'm really excited to see how it turns out and how it really brightens up the garage. So let's go ahead and get started on that. But first, we obviously have to pull out the truck and the S8. So you guys are going to get a cold start on the S8 today. Alright, well, it still sounds good. So, got the S8 outside, truck's outside. Let's get started on getting these bulbs taken down so we can put in the adapters. As you can see, I still have a ton of stuff to get out of the garage before I get started on the truck turbo build project. So, if you guys are new to the channel, I do have a giant turbo and turbo kit sitting in the basement for that truck right there. We're dubbing it the Project Grandpa truck. If you haven't subscribed, now would be a good time to do that because the next video after this one is going to be starting on that turbo build right there. So yeah, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you get notified. So got the step stool out here. Let's get going on today's project. All right, so we got the little electrical adapters up on the lights, so I'll show you one of those here. So that's what that guy looks like. We got one on each side, obviously. So now, let's go over here and bust open one of these boxes and see what we got for mounting options. All right, let's see what we got in the box here. There we go. Of course, we have these chains that they use if you want to hang it from the ceiling. I'm going to hard mount them to the ceiling. Some instructions, not necessary. got a 2-prong power cord on it. It's got a pull chain, which obviously we're not going to be using. Here's that 2-prong plug. And let's see what we have for mounting holes. Looks like on the back side here, it's got 6 mounting holes. We got a keyhole connection here on the end cap. We have 2 keyhole connectors here that looks like the little bracket for the chain hooks through, or you can do a screw into those. Same thing on the other end. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the 2 keyholes in the center so that I can center it over a stud. That way I don't have to mess around with sheetrock anchors or anything like that. And I know they'll be nice and secure on the ceiling. All right, so let's get these things mounted up on the ceiling. I think it's going to make a really huge difference here. And now you're starting to see, now that it's getting dark outside, kind of what the lighting looks like in here. But yeah, we're going to put them over on this side. This is a HVAC runner for the room above the garage here. It's kind of hard to get light over on this side. At some point, I probably should get some lights over here too, just to light up this part of the garage. But I think these lights are going to make a huge difference, and I'm really excited to see how it turns out. So let's get them put up on the ceiling and see how it goes. All right, so we got the last one mounted up here. Let's go up here. Got it plugged into the light over here. Go ahead and pull the pull chain. Pow! Look at that. We got all 4 of them lit up. I decided to go with 4 across the ceiling, so that means we have 2 more. I'll probably put 1 right about where that lily pad is hanging from the ceiling, get that thing down so we have more light over the work area over there. And I may end up having to get more because I want, like I said, I want to get some back here, light this area up, and get some more on this side of the garage so that it lights up over here as well. But I'm really happy with where that's at now. Looks so much better, literally a night and day difference. So let's get a quick before and after. I'm gonna go pull all the pull chains, turn them off so you can see kind of what it looked like before, and then after, and you can see what a difference all these lights made. So there's your before and after. Man, look at the difference. That's gonna be so much nicer for working on cars in the garage this winter. As I mentioned before, next step is to get all this junk cleaned out of here so we can get the truck in here and torn apart so that we can get that turbo build going. I won't bore you guys with a video with just cleaning out junk, so I'm gonna get that taken care of. The next video is going to be tearing into the truck to get that turbo build going. So I hope you guys are looking forward to that. I know I am really excited to get Grandpa truck done and on the road again. So a bit of a different video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Improving the garage is always fun, so that's gonna do it for tonight's upload. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my future uploads. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great night. I'll talk to you next time.